So now we're going to do this assignment here where we create an HTML page. We need to use the following elements. So please use CSS to style the h1 to some color. And please send in the GitHub URL associated with your code. So to do that, I'm going to start my code editor. And I'm using something which is good for the Go programming language. You could be using any IDE that you would like, or any way to write your code that you'd like. And so I need to create an HTML page, so I'm just going to find a place in my repo to do that, and just closing a few things here. So inside temp, I think I have 73. I'll do 74. So I'll create a new folder, 74. And then inside there, I'm going to create a new HTML page. I'll call this index.html. And then I'm going to add some, and that's emit what I just did. And I don't think I need that. Keep it a little bit cleaner. And now I need to include an h1 and hello world. And then I need a paragraph. And if I use emit, which you'll learn about in the videos on Greater Commons, I could do that. So there I have a paragraph with some text in it. And then I need an unordered list, and I need some list items in there, and I'm going to maybe put in, doesn't say how many, but I'll put in 10, and so that's the emit for it. So I was just trying to comment that out, but HTML comments are don't. So that's an HTML comment. I think it's 2 dashes, it might be 3, HTML comment. So let's look that up, and HTML comments are 2 dashes. There we go, 2 dashes. So then I'll just copy that so that I could use it. So with that emit, when I hit tab, it fills it in. And something, another, yet, again, more of this ice cream, chocolate, whatever. And so I got a UL, I've got an LI. And I need style. So please use CSS to style the h1 to some color. So the style is going to go up here. And I'm going to do h1. So when you have CSS, you're going to have your CSS rule set. It's called a rule set. So here's my rule set. And the rule set starts with a selector. And then it has declarations. This is my declaration block, and inside my declaration block are declarations. And so with each declaration, I'm going to have a property and a value, right? And so there the property is red color, and the value is red. The property is color, and the value is red. So this is all a rule set. And I don't know why I'm getting those brackets. That's weird. So this is a rule set. And each rule set has a selector is the h1, and then it has a declaration block. So everything between those curly curly things, and those are going to be declarations. And then every declaration has a property and a value. So that's that. And then if I look at this page, so I could just open this in a browser, so reveal in Finder, and then open this in Internet Explorer. There's my page, so it's red. So that's good. So this code is fine to submit now. And please send it to GitHub. So I'll now send that to GitHub. So I'm going to start my terminal and go to wherever that's located on my computer. And that's where it's located. And I'm going to add it to GitHub. And so now that's up at GitHub. There we go. And if I look at GitHub, it goes to 11. I put it in here. And I put it in temp. And I put it in 74. and I put it right there. So I then grab that URL. There's that code I wrote. And I'd come back to here, and when I went to submit that, I'd submit that URL as, here's proof that I did that. So that's how you do that assignment.